Okay, so today's product. That is the indicator, which has 12 SMD, with part number is LG-0207. This indicator is available in 5 colors. We are showing 3 colors in this video. It is available with and without stand. Very bright indicator. It has 2 holes. With the help of these holes, you can mount it on the surface of the vehicle. And you can also mount it side to trucks and trailers with the help of this stand. Let's turn on this indicator and see. It contains 12 high-power SMD. Its part number is LG-0207. The fitment center distance of holes is 75 mm. This indicator is available in 12-volt and 24-volt both. Its lens is made of fine plastic. You can buy it from the link given in the description. High-intensity indicator from the house of Bajato under the brand Light Green.
It's not a game, it's a